Sure. See here, so yesterday what we are discussing, like, so if you create one normal projects, so to creating board, so we normally go with this board and we'll select board creation with existing project, and from existing project we are selecting that project, so that basic project will convert as a the Scrum projects. But when you click on this create board, if I'm selecting Scrum, first I'll see this board created with new projects. Like, so if I'm selecting these options, one project name, project will be created and board will be created. And these options, suppose if I have a project like is a basic software project, if I want to convert that as a Scrum board, so I need to select this. So if I'm selecting that existing project, it will be converted as a Scrum project. And this third options, board from an existing filter. So how it is helpful? See, I'll write one query, search for issues. Suppose I'll create some projects. I'll create some business projects. I'll click on next, select. I'll select Jira support. Okay, next I'll create one other projects called Bitbucket support projects. And I'll select Confluence support. Click next. I'll create a three project here: Bitbucket, Jira support, and Confluence. So Bitbucket support I created. To change any name, so I'll change this project names to DevOps support. So details. So if you want to change any project key or something is anytime, just remove this DevOps support and put it dev. Just click on save. So this project name will be changed automatically with name of dev. So here my requirement is, so suppose I'm a lead of these three projects. So some people are working in Jira admin teams working in Jira, and Confluence administrator working on Confluence. DevOps people can support for DevOps projects. But I am the manager of these three projects. So I have, suppose I have daily Scrum meetings, like stand up calls daily. I need to see each and every ticket which is created these three projects. If any ticket is created this three project, I need to comes to my board. Okay. And suppose in Jira only two people are working, Confluence three people are working, and DevOps teams three people are working. So these we need to achieve with help of these Scrum projects. Like, I'll open this first. This is a filter. So in a filter, I'll select something like the same projects, and the projects names. First, we need to write filter. So these filters, based on filter only, that board will be work, right? So I'll select these three projects. So we know how the filter will be visible, like project in Dev, CS, and JS. Okay, I'll leave it this. I have not add anything more. So I'll just save it. Okay. So I'll put it Atlassian. Atlassian support. I'll save this. Okay. So once you save these filters, you just go with this, like, board, view all board, and create board, Scrum or Kanban. So anything, if you want anything, so you just create that. And So probably I'll go with Kanban. Yeah, see, suppose, so it looks good for these three. So okay, I'll go with this Kanban board from an existing saved filter, and I'll just click on next. And what is the board name? Atlassian. What is this filters? What I am reading here, Atlassian support. I'll just select create board. Okay, see, once you create this board, so it board will be create like this. And suppose if you see the same board, you can create two boards as well. So I'll create board, I'll select Scrum, I'll select board from existing, I'll select Atlassian support, Atlassian support, create. See, once I create, so this board will be created because of there is no project here. So yesterday we are discussing like the same thing. If you delete this project, the board will be there. The board will be looks like these options only. And if you see this project only, so when you click on only project, suppose if I'm click on this dev projects, this dev project looks like this, like this the epic version, this all option will become. But here it will not come because of there is no board. Sorry, there is no project here. Only board we are created. Okay, that's why it looks something's only backlog, sprint, and reports only. So these all options like this component and issues and reports and some releases, this type of it will not come. So here only three option will become. Okay, so now the board will be work based on this filter. See, if you see this configurations, board configurations, here what is the board? The board name is, click on this add rank, should be see here Atlassian support and Atlassian support saved filter project in dev cs js. So if I'm create ticketing any projects, suppose if I'm create projects in like js Jira, the same will become here. I'll suppose if I'm create Confluence, ticket also is coming here. I'll create something like DevOps. DevOps ticket also is coming to here. Sorry. So DevOps project also is coming here because of, see, every time if the issue is matching to some particular filter, based on that filter project is working, that all issues will comes to automatically to that board. Okay, so every time which tickets are created, okay, I'll start this print and I'll move this all tickets to there. So suppose I'll plan some weekly wise ticket or something, so I'll start this print. Okay, once I start it, it will be moved to here. So I can write here like based on my team's quick filters, like suppose who are working on Jira team. So Jira two peoples, I'll click on this. Hey Jira team, so you got assigned two tickets. So one is a to do and another one is a done. So what about this to do? So you have any blockers or something? Okay, so suppose one guy is working from Jira and Confluence support. So you have assigned two Jira tickets and one Confluence ticket. What is the status? You know, so if you are added configurations, I mean streamlines, if you're selecting project wise, if you go with here, the streamlines automatically comes to here. CS Confluence support is a two tickets and dev teams one ticket and Jira support is one ticket. Okay, so here I can able to differences based on users and based on project or priority wise or anything. So this is completely, this type also will helpful. Suppose like if you have any fixed version to release in particular time, and if you have any date, I mean any version releases in particular dates, and you have to manage your 3 or 4 project in the same filter. And see here, we have 3 projects. I need to put it this to all into like one board. So if 3 project, in the 3 projects, if any ticket is created, the same will be comes to this board. And for one project I can able to create 3 or 4 boards as well. Suppose first how we are creating these tickets, like, so as previous we are discussing some things like, so I have some help based projects. In a help based projects I have this type of issues: Outlook, software, network, and HR. So if I'm creating any ticket here, if I'm creating Outlook, software people are also they are able to see this. Network people are also able to see this Outlook ticket. So I will write it something. I'll write some filter like help desk is equal project is equal to help desk, and issue type is equal to Outlook. So based on that, I'll create one board. And next board I'll create help desk project is equal to help desk, and issue type is equal to software. I'll create 4 different purpose. 4 I'll create it. See, if any ticket is, suppose the board permission I'll give to only Outlook team, and I'll give to only software board I'll give to software people. It's network only. So they always work on their board. If I create any Outlook issue type, the same will be goes to that particular board only. The board will be access to Outlook people, so only Outlook people can able to access. And if I'm creating software, the same ticket will be created as a software board only. So the completely what they want like is a one project, they are divided to multiple boards, and multiple projects they are uh, putting in they put in into one board only. So we can able to manage our teams how you want to differentiate it project wise, or you need to merge all projects into one thing. So these you can able to see in it always. Okay, clear to differences between these, how we are creating boards. Like board we can create with a new projects and existing project and with a saved filter. So saved filter, you can write any filter, and based on that filter the board will be work. Okay. And one thing is here, I need to tell you, suppose I have some basic software projects. I have this basic software. I'll just create it. Next, I'll just click on basic. I'll create it. Okay, so this is basic project now. So how we need to move this to Scrum projects? See, the same things how we are decided, how we are discussed earlier. Just go here, create it. As if you want Scrum or Kanban, so anything you just select that and board from existing project. Click on next, and you just select board name. Suppose I'll select basic, and I'll select some basic projects. Yeah, so I'll just create it. So once I create it, it will be convert as a Scrum project. So here also, if you refresh, this will be changed to as a Scrum projects. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so this will be changed to Scrum projects. So if I'm deleting this, if I'm deleting this board, suppose I'll delete this board, view all. So suppose from here, so basic board. If I'm comes to here, if I'm deleted, the same will be converted as a software projects. Okay, so suppose now this is the software project already I created. Suppose already software project I created. Okay, so because of I'm already created the software project, so I can easily convert as a software to, like if I'm creating this, I'm creating basic project. From basic project to convert as a Scrum, we just create this board from existing project, so it will be this basic project move to Scrum. But suppose if I have a business projects, Is it possible to convert that as a Scrum board? Right, this type is different, right? So is it possible to change this? So we'll see how it works. Suppose if you see, I have Jira support projects, which is the normal project. These are business projects. So in the business project, and if you see any project, the configurations, everything will be same. There is no different. They want any issue type, workflow, screens, or everything is the same. But the left side option will be comes to very less based on that request. If it is a Scrum Kanban, we have the lots of options like components, releases, versions, backlog, sprints, like that. And if you come into business, only issues and reports are available. Okay, that is only different. If you want to add any issue type, workflows are everything is same. Okay, so I'll convert this as a, okay, I'll convert this to as a Scrum board. So what I'll do is, so I'll go to here and create board and Scrum board. So I'll selecting this project. I'll click on next. I'll just selecting JS board and I'll select suppose here JS. Okay, project also is coming for in the drop down. So I'll just create it. So it is converted. We feel like yes. So here you can see this epic and versions we have. Okay, and if any ticket is created here, the same will be comes to here. We can able to move it. But see, this looks previous. When you open any projects, suppose this is a basic project. If I open this basic project, same looks it is opening like this is all options like epic versions, backlog, everything. If I open board, basic board, the same page will be open. See, if I projects, I'll click on projects, same page, right? So if I click on board, this is a basic board. Okay, same page will be open because of when you migrated basic project to Scrum, that board and project will be merged and it will be gives to only one view. But when you change this business project to Scrum, the types are different. So in this case, if you create something like, if you create this JS board, this board will be open. So like, so I have epic versions and this backlog or everything. But if you click on projects, project JS support project, and the project will be open, the board not will be open because of, if it is types are different, the two things board and project will not merge it. Okay, this is work different and this is work will be different. So how to merge this? Because of like, suppose if they ask like, so I want this type only. If I click on projects, the board needs to be open. If I open board as well, the same view need to open. Okay, so in this case, we are software project, we are convert as a Scrum. So the both types are same. That's why it is easily merged and it will be give to same view. But when you migrate from business projects to, I mean, Scrum projects, the Scrum board will be create. If you see here, I'll select suppose JS board. See here, JS board is creating. And if you open project will be open. CJS support project will be open. So here not coming any versions. I mean, active sim backlog, epic version is not coming here. So if you wanted to merge these two, if you want to merge these two, we need to change project type. This is only options like go to project settings, project details, and here we have business. Just select this, select software, and click on save details. When you click on save details, this is convert as a software. So when I change this all option is coming automatically. See, and now if you refresh this, see, board is coming here. And if you click on here as well, I'll click on this projects, the same view will become same epic version. These all options here also epic version will be same option. So if you create a Scrum project with help of business, the two board and project will be not merged and the two will be give different view, and that board will be give board view, and project will be give project view. Okay, so if you want to make that, you have to change projects as a software, and then the two things will be merged and it will be gives to one view. Okay, so this is the Scrum projects. Like we have these backlogs. The backlogs tickets will becomes based on complete is a filter, and once a filter is matching correctly, if issues is not coming to board, we need to check columns. So columns exact, we need to map that statuses under particular column. And so once like that every ticket is coming to backlog, suppose if scrum master will analyze the ticket and they will move to particular sprint, and they will once they move to sprint, and they will put it some estimation time, like story point. So based on that, they will move to some particular they'll start that sprint. Once the sprint is started, the same will be go to active sprint, and that every team and like all teams will work on only active sprint tickets. They'll not work on backlog tickets. Backlog tickets there is no planning, so unplanned tickets they are not worked it, and teams will be worked on only planned tickets. And they version wise they'll put it some timelines and they will release it. So this is called as a completely scrum is a planned boot. Okay, everything should be work as a planning. And so and as per our Jira work, and we need to create that project. We need to create that project configurations, like what issue type they want and what workflows, schemes, field configurations, permission scheme, notification schemes, and versions and components. Project administrator can able to create it. That is not our work. And next, once they're creating projects and the board configurations, we need to work on it. So these board configurations, if they want anything related to these options, so if they want any quick filters, card layout, estimation times, working days, or quick filters, same lines, so